Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to move WooCommerce order review to top of checkout page using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and we are going to move order review section on top of the page in checkout. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see echo and then you see text your order. Scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So after that we are going to add some custom CSS. Now snippet created and saved. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste. Now you see WooCommerce checkout order review heading display none, and then you see margin, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now click on publish. Now publish done. Go to checkout page. Now you see order review. Now refresh the page. Now you don't see order review below billing form. Scroll up. Now you see your order and then you see order review section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.